What if the first 7 minutes of your morning are either programming you for abundance or quietly keeping you broke? Most people wake up and immediately reach for their phone, scroll through noise, check their messages, and wonder why they feel anxious before breakfast. They go through the day chasing money, chasing opportunities, chasing a feeling of enough, never realizing that the frequency they set in those first waking moments is the frequency they carry into everything that follows. The morning is not just a routine, it is a transmission. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that transmission work in your favor. These are the 7 morning habits that activate your abundance frequency before 7 a.m. The first habit is waking with intention, not reaction. Before you touch your phone, before you speak a word, take 30 seconds and ask yourself one question. Who am I choosing to be today? This single act shifts your nervous system from survival mode into creation mode. You are no longer a passenger, you are the author. The second habit is gratitude with feeling, not a list, not a checkbox. Real, embodied gratitude. Think of 3 things, specific things, and let yourself actually feel the warmth of them. Gratitude is the fastest way to align with your morning routine to attract wealth because it tells your subconscious mind that abundance is already present, and what the mind believes is present, it magnetizes more of. The third habit is your abundance declaration. Speak your desires out loud. Law of attraction morning rituals work because sound carries vibration, and your voice is one of the most powerful tools you own. Say things like, money flows to me easily. I am a magnet for opportunities. My income is growing. Say them like you mean them. Say them until you feel them in your chest. Pause. The fourth habit is abundance meditation before 7 a.m. Even 5 minutes of stillness where you visualize your ideal financial life, not with stress, but with joy, rewires the neural pathways associated with scarcity. See the numbers in your account. Feel the freedom. Breathe it in like it is already done. The fifth habit is movement. Walk, stretch, dance, move your body to move your energy. Stagnant bodies hold stagnant beliefs. When you activate your physical self, you activate your capacity to receive. The sixth habit is learning. Read one page of something that expands your money mindset. Listen to 5 minutes of something that challenges your ceiling. The people who know how to manifest money in the morning are people who are constantly feeding their mind with possibility. Knowledge shifts belief, and belief shifts reality. The seventh habit is your giving thought. Before you step into your day, think of one person you can help, one act of generosity you can offer, one way you can add value to the world. Abundance is not just about receiving, it is a cycle. And when you open the giving channel first, the receiving channel opens wider than you can imagine. Pause. Here is what I want you to understand about how to activate abundance frequency. It is not about perfection. It is not about doing all 7 of these things exactly right every single morning. It is about direction. It is about beginning your day pointed toward expansion instead of contraction, toward trust instead of fear, toward wealth consciousness instead of lack. Your morning habits for abundance are the difference between drifting through life and deliberately creating it. The world responds to the energy you bring into it. So bring clarity, bring gratitude, bring the unshakable knowing that what you are calling in is already on its way. Start tomorrow. Start before 7 a.m. Start before the world gets loud and tells you who to be. Because in that sacred morning silence, you are the most powerful version of yourself. I'm Jonas Charles, and this is The Abundance Frequency. If this resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.